To start, I apologize for the messy garage. This project is a work in progress. To be honest, I would call this a partial failure. Keep watching to find out why. What you see here is an older Craftsman LT2000 42-inch riding mower. However, it's been Frankensteined to have a Tuff Torq K66Y Transaxle from a Husqvarna GT263T Garden Tractor. I wanted to convert this mower to run on Ryobi 40-volt batteries like the MTD mower from a previous video. However, that one had a manual transmission rather than a hydrostatic one. For simplicity, I made the motor connect with a direct drive coupler. The Ryobi motors attach quite easily to a Whirlpool washing machine direct drive coupler, as I found with the scooter. This transmission had a 15mm nut on top, so I 3D printed a part that allows the Whirlpool coupler to connect to that. I will include a link so that if anyone wishes to use it for something else, they're welcome to. The mower does work, and I was able to drive it around the yard even with the gas engine still installed. So you may wonder what the problem is. Simply put, efficiency. Even though it works, the battery usage is horrible. On the MTD, I can drive for 45 minutes or more on one battery. On this mower, I could only drive for 12 minutes. Furthermore, the motor was getting very hot after those 12 minutes, over 200 degrees. That could be solved by putting a larger motor in like I did on the scooter. However, that will not likely solve the efficiency problem. Therefore, I'm not going to continue the conversion to this mower. So if you're looking to convert a mower that has a hydrostatic transmission, I recommend it you don't. That being said, perhaps someone smarter than myself could find a way to make it work. But it would seem to me that it's best to use a manual transmission for electric conversions, or else bring a whole lot of batteries.